Okay everyone, welcome back to the Renault Megane. Today we are doing a mountain pass, which is literally right in front of us. That's where the road starts. That's what we're going to be doing. And we are stopped on the side of a road. Let's quickly get a look around the car. We're on a brand new mic system, so audio should be very crispy. Let's hop out and get a quick look around, and then let's do this pass. As you can see, roads are gorgeous. Car is looking fantastic. Okay, let's hop in and do this. I'm excited. This is going to be awesome. No, cool. Spinning the wheels there. Even in third, this car tends to spin its wheels. So much fun. Got another stop here. There's no one on the other side, so we can keep going. Someone's definitely hit that bollard. That is so far out. Some biker friends. Man, this car just eats up these corners at these speeds. It has no regard for the fact that these corners are tight, they're twisty. It does not care at all. Hard onto the brakes here, quite a tight corner. Car takes it with ease, powering out. These corners are absolutely no problem for this car. Back down into a tight corner, a few twisties. Hard onto the brakes again. Can see that there is a car all the way down there on the other side of the canyon. Hopefully we don't, we probably will run into them. ask this car to jump, and it responds with how high. This car's ability to just power out of the corners without slipping traction is incredible. Like, a lot of times I'm not even putting my foot flat through these corners. Obviously I don't exactly want to go flying off the mountain, but I digress. Like, when I do put my foot flat, this car in third gear does not slip traction. First and second it will, but in third it doesn't. It just powers you through that limited slip diff in this car, pulling you through these corners. What a machine. What a road. What an amazing amount of fun. Slow it down here as we are coming up to a hairpin, apparently. Yeah, this is very much a hairpin. Oh man, that's so cool! Just recompose myself before I go flying off of the mountain here. My brightest idea to turn around on a whole bunch of stones, but anyways, is what it is. Okay, I'm gonna leave the car running. I don't want to just shut it off after driving it so hard. Let's have a look at how hot these brake pads are. I'm infinitely curious. They don't look too hot. Front ones, I mean, they're hot, don't get me wrong, but not glowing. Back ones look a bit worse for wear. Got some bikes coming this way. This car looks incredible out here. Oh, the way the bikes are echoing through the mountains. I said bikes. What I really meant to say is a Yamaha R1. Okay everyone, we have taken some photos. We're gonna take a little bit of an easier roll back that way. We'll stop at the top of the mountain and end the video. But I'm gonna take a slower drive back. I don't really want to push the car too hard. It's already had a trip down here, back, and now down here again. Wow, this is that's quite an elevation. Yep, that's quite high up. But this is an absolutely magnificent machine. Okay, we're hopping back in because I don't really want to contend with the wind over my voice. I do hope you guys enjoyed this absolutely awesome day out driving this mountain pass. This is something that I'm going to be doing again, especially when the Z4M is here. When the Clio RS is all fixed up, we'll also bring it here, and I cannot wait for that. As you can see, there's bikers after bikers. People love this road, and honestly, so do I. What an amazing road, and what an awesome time out. I do thoroughly hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.